This is a new challenge. It's something that we've never had in this magnitude before.
It could turn out to be the worst environmental disaster in more than 20 years.
But what was unique about the Deepwater Horizon accident is that it was actually a blowout a mile below the surface. And so the oil came gushing out of the bottom, and you remember those pictures, it almost looked like a smoke plume. One of the most important things we've been trying to look at over the years is trying to understand what maintains diversity patterns in the deep sea. And that's why we have such a concern when we see such a huge loss of diversity as a result of the accident. We discovered that there was about a 50% loss of diversity in the immediate area surrounding the wellhead. We were quite concerned that this was a very big effect. And then we found moderate effects out to an area of about 57 square miles surrounding the wellhead site. And that was pretty alarming too, because that's a very large area. In fact, if you think about it, it's about the footprint of a small city. After the accident occurred in April and May, I asked some people whether they were concerned about the deep sea, and the response from industry and most of the observers was that, hey, oil floats, this won't be a problem for the deep sea at all. Oil was being trapped underneath, and it could reach the bottom. What we did is we actually censused the animals using these sediment cores, and then we analyzed the samples in the lab by literally picking each animal out and identifying it. But those animals are very sensitive indicators. They're just like the canaries in the coal mine. They tell us about the health of the sediments in the ocean.